I just have systems in place. So basically, the way any business works is you do something and it breaks a system. Something goes wrong, right? Let's say you have a product that blows up. You don't have enough time to do customer service. That's a problem. You start getting more and more. You get a backlog of customer service things. You can't respond to it. Okay, let's solve this. Let's hire an employee. Okay, let's say you get way more orders. That person can't do that many things. Let's hire another one, kind of thing. It's just that works, right? It's just as simply as that, right? That you just come across problems and then you fix them. You solve them. You go from there, right? Like it's kind of as simple as that. So, I mean, I'd say that for one. Honestly, everything can be solved. The most important thing is that if you get orders, everything else is fixable. Like a lot of you guys talk about taxes, business registrations, all this shit, but realistically, everything can be solved if you are making money. If you're getting sales coming in the door, everything else is pretty much an afterthought. It doesn't really matter. Like you can figure out everything else. Like it's fine. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.